I got your ass now. Perfect. Oh, you double back. Who was you? Where'd you go? Hey guys, this is Jerry. Now, as we look at the tape, this guy's an idiot, and I'm still alive.
Please subscribe.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave Natch. I speak stocks. Today is Wednesday, August 17th, and in today's video, I have one play for you and also one to put on stock. But before I go into the plays, let me delve into yesterday's recap of the markets. The markets ended mixed yesterday. The Dow closed up 0.71%, settling at 34,152. The Nasdaq fell 0.19%, closing at 13,102. There were no triple-digit runners yesterday. Let's see what happens today. Apple closed down 0.09%, settling at $173.03. Apple. Let's delve right into it. Dave's play today is a SP play. In and out, grab and go, one and move. JCSE is up 22% thus far in the pre-market, sitting at $2.79 at the recording of this video. The high of day thus far in the pre, $2.96. The stock closed up 20% yesterday. Watch for continuation today. The stock closed at $2.27. The volume yesterday was 1.4 million. Compare and contrast to their average volume of 600K. JCSE. There's no news out, we're just riding price action. If this one retracts below $2.35 today, this might be a no-go. This one might have room to $3.05. $3.05, okay? This one is in the industrial machinery space. Headquarters out of Singapore, JCSE. Let's kick the tires. They were a market cap of 29 million. They have a teeny tiny float of 5 million. 75% of the float are held by insiders. This tells me directors and officers are putting their money where their mouth is. 75% insiders. Institution has a measly 0.05% of the float, and shorts has 1% of the float. Their profit margin is a positive 0.01%. Their operating margin is a positive 0.40%. Their ROA, return on asset, is a positive 0.18%. Their ROE, return on equity, positive 0.05%. Nothing to write home about with respect to their investments. But the fact of the matter is they're in the positive. Usually for the penny stocks, their ROA and ROE are in the negative, okay? Let's continue. Their revenue is 14.76 million. Their revenue per share, 1.23, okay? Their gross profit is 2.35 million. Let me repeat that. Their gross profit is 2.35 million. Their EBITDA, earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, is 673K. 673K, their EBITDA. Their net income is 2K in net income. They have a total cash of 1.18 million and a total debt of 12.9 million. Their current ratio, however, is sitting below par. Their current ratio is sitting at 0.82. However, their operating cash flow is in the positive. Their operating cash flow is a positive 3 million. Their leverage free cash flow is a positive 2 million. JCSE. Please put in stock today for continuation. BBIG. The stock is up 31% at $1.49. After closing up 58% at $1.13. And the volume yesterday was 90 million. Their average volume is 18 million. The stock resumed trading yesterday after being halted on August 4th. This is a risky stock. Be careful. BBIG. This one is in the leisure space. Headquarters out of New York. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter @ThePetite for my stock alerts. In the meantime, in between time, always protect your neck. Always set a stop loss. Do not invest more than you're willing to lose. And whenever you see some profits, take some profits, because now you see them, now you don't. Dave Natch, I'm out. Boom, bam. Make your next trade your best trade. Do remember, if you wish to open a trading account, check out my Webull link below. You will get some free stocks. Minimum deposit required is just 1 penny only. Also, pre-market hours trading starts at 4 a.m. sharp. 4 a.m. sharp with Webull. Webull only, the way to go. Pre-market hours trading is very risky. It's not for the risk averse. Welcome back to Dave Newell's channel. Don't forget to hit that like. Please subscribe and share.
To listen to their words. One evening he did hear the ox bemoaning to the ass the hardness of his lot. I do labor pulling the plow from morning until night, no matter how hot the day, or how tired my legs, or how the bow doth chafe my neck, still must I work. But you are a creature of leisure. You are trapped with a colorful blanket and do nothing more than carry our master about where he wishes to go. When he goes nowhere, you do rest and eat the green grass all the day. Now the ass, in spite of his vicious heels, was a friendly fellow and sympathized with the ox. My good friend, he complained, you do work very hard and I would not ease your lot. Therefore, will I tell you how you may have a day of rest. In the morning, when the slave comes to fetch you to the plow, lie upon the ground and bellow much, that he may say you are sick and cannot work. So the ox took the advice of the ass, and the next morning the slave returned to the farmer and told him the ox was sick and could not pull the plow. Then, said the farmer, hitch the ass to the plow, for the plowing must go on. All that day, the ass, who had only intended to help his friend, found himself compelled to do the ox's task. When night came and he was released from the plow, his heart was bitter, and his legs were weary, and his neck was sore where the bow had chafed it. The farmer lingered in the barnyard to listen. The ox began first. You are my good friend. Because of your wise advice, I have enjoyed a day of rest. And I, retorted the ass, am like many another simple-hearted one who starts to help a friend and ends up by doing his task for him. Hereafter you draw your own plow, for I did hear the master tell the slave to the butcher, were you sick again? I wish he would, for you are a lazy fellow. Thereafter they spoke to each other no more. This ended their friendship. Canst thou tell the moral to this tale, Rodan? 'Tis a good tale, responded Rodan, but I see not the moral. I thought not that you would, but it is there, and simple too. Just this. If you desire to help thy friend, do so in a way that will not bring thy friend's burdens upon thyself. I had not thought of that. It is a wise rule. I wish not to assume the burdens of my sister's husband. But tell me, you lend to many.
I thank you for watching. Dave Natch, I'm out.